Okay, here I am. Got my little $30 Harbor Freight race seal driver set. Nice little handy set here. Comes with a punch, put the screw, put your size on you need. I'm working on a '97 Volkswagen Cabrio, doing the rear wheel bearings. I took the race and I put them in the freezer. There's a tip I read on some forums. Just makes things go a little easier, so I tried it. Could have hurt. It's pretty straightforward. Fit the inside. Find the size that fits the inside diameter, and hammer it. Might have to do this with two hands. I'm back now. I fixed it, so I can drive this in. Hammer it a couple times. Take a look at it. Slowly going in there. Somewhere recessed. You make a pretty distinct sound when you are solid. That's the nice solid sound we're looking for. That means that the race is seated up nice against the channel and the drum. And that's about it. I'm gonna do the other side now.